Mukhang Ginebra at TNT na naman sa finals. Here's why. Parehong 3 wins away ang Ginebra at TNT to set up another finals clash. Maaga pa tawagin, but from the looks of Game 1, there's a good chance na mangyari yun. TNT has owned rain or shine this season. The record head-to-head, 11-3. Pabor sa TNT. Admirable ang rain or shine with a young, battle-tested unit. Kaya lang, they're a bit undersized and wala pa rin yung late-game composure. Kailangan yun if they want to beat TNT. San Miguel has looked good the entire conference, looked good early in Game 1, and some will say they still look good in this series. But Junmar Fajardo's calf injury, big concern yun. One that could tilt the series to Ginebra. So will we see a Ginebra TNT Finals trilogy? Tingin mo.